In this lesson, we are going to take a look at how to create sketches on something other than the front, top, or right plan. But in order to begin, we must first start a new sketch, and we will need to select one of those primary plans. So I'm going to select the front plan. Go to the line command and draw a basic shape. Now, once I'm done sketching, I'm going to switch over to the Feature tab and then select the Extruded Boss Base command. Now, I do understand that we have not covered this feature yet, and we will in a later lesson. But just to get through this lesson, let's go ahead and select Extruded Boss Base. And then grab this arrow and holding down the left mouse button, drag it out to any distance. Close off the Boss Extrude command and then tap F on the keyboard to fit the 3D part to the screen. So what we did here is we created a basic sketch on the front plan and then extruded that sketch into a 3D model. Now we are at the point we can talk about what we came here for in this lesson. How to create a new sketch on a face or plan other than one of the three primary plans. So I'm going to return to the Sketch tab and select Sketch. Notice the message says I can select a plan, a planar face, or an edge. Well, I'm going to go out to the screen and select this face here. And now I am in a sketch and this is the plan I'm sketching on. So I'm going to go to the Circle command and draw a circle on this face. Now it's important to note that you are not confined by the size of this profile. In fact, I can go back to the Circle command and I can sketch outside of that. And if I roll the model, you will notice all of the sketch geometry is on that planar face. And once again, even though we haven't covered the Extrude command, I can go to Extrude Boss Base, type any distance, close out of the Boss Extrude command, and there is two new features. So we are not restricted to creating sketches on the three primary plans. In fact, we can select edges or faces or existing 3D parts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more content.